then for each kind of comes into play to save you a little bit. So I'm going to modify this down here, and I'm just going to copy from my example here just to save some time. In this case, let's say I did want to, again, same principle. I wanted to give my 3 developers, Alice, Bob, and Charlie, I want to give them their own VMs. I can do a for each call. Now, count operated on more of an array approach with the LIFO property, and for each operates more on a set or map property, right? Unordered keys, but unique keys. So I get this interesting benefit that I can delete any one of these keys without affecting the others. And I'll demonstrate that to you right now. And when you're using for each, you get access to a special variable called each.key and each.value. So I'm going to use that real quick to name my resources again. And the owner can just be each.key. Yep. Yeah, we'll just do it that way. Each.key. If I can type. Cool. I'm going to go to my other terminal and apply this because that's when I've been doing it. And you'll see now Terraform says, oh, you want 3 resources. I'm going to scroll to the top of this long output. It says, hey, you want 3 resources. You want one for Alice, you want one for Bob, and you want one for Charlie. So before it was just instance 0, 1, 2. Now we have these keys, right? Alice, Bob, Charlie. So if I go ahead and apply this, and I go back into the AWS console, go back to my instances, you will see that they're going to start being created. Here's Alice's instance, Bob's instance, Charlie's instance. Great. The cool part about this now is that if I ever wanted to fire Bob because maybe he's not pulling, his weight anymore, I can just remove Bob from here, right? And before I actually fire Bob, I want to show you that even with for each, you can still get your keys from a variable. So I just want to show you, I didn't have to do this literal list in here. I could have did something like this, where I have my list of developers as a variable that someone can pass to my invocation, and I can use that as a set inside for each, right? So if I do this and I apply, there should be no changes because everything's good, right? I just want to show you that I can source them from a dynamic source as well. So in this case, let's say again, I fired Bob or he wasn't performing. I get rid of him and I'll do an apply, it's fine. And I do an apply operation. Notice this time, it only wants to destroy Bob's instance, right? 1 to destroy, 0 to change, 0 to add. So in this case, Charlie is saved. He's no longer on the hot seat. His instance is not getting destroyed anymore. He didn't do anything wrong. It was Bob the whole time. And now I can go ahead with this apply. And we'll notice in the console that Bob is the one that's gone and Charlie is safe. He doesn't feel like he's getting pipped anytime soon. Life is good for him.